Hello, I'm Larryb and I'm the face behind this channel, Larryb Trace. So we want to thank you so much for your support on this channel, for watching our videos, for liking, for commenting on our videos. We want to say a big thank you to you. All of this support has brought us this. So this is the award given to us by YouTube for passing the 100,000 subscriber milestone, and we want to share this with you. So in this video we're going to be unveiling this beautiful award together. Okay, so now we're opening it, and this is how it came. And it came with this letter that is congratulating us for the milestone, and then this is the main award. Okay, so this is really beautiful, guys. This award says presented to Larryb Trace for passing 100,000 subscriber. So we want to really thank you for making this possible, for giving us this opportunity. I want to also encourage you to support us more. So we hope that you continue to watch our video, share with your friends their souls, and together we can reach the next milestone. Thank you again. I'll see you the next time. Bye for now.